Your fridge works hard, it runs all day and all night. Sometimes it needs a break, just like you. Knowing when to turn off your fridge is important. It helps the fridge last longer. It can also save you money on your power bill. Turning off your fridge is not something you do every day, but there are times when it's a good idea. You need to move your fridge? Unplug it, cleaning your fridge? Unplug it to avoid shocks and make it easier to clean. Going on vacation? You can unplug your fridge if it's for a long time. Before you turn off your fridge, take out all the food. You don't want your food to go bad. Throw away anything that will go bad quickly. Put perishable items in a cooler. Wipe down the inside of your fridge. This will help prevent bad smells. Leave the door open a crack to air it out. Turning off your fridge saves energy. Even a few hours can make a difference. It also gives the motor a break. This can help your fridge last longer. Think of it like taking your car in for a tune-up. A little maintenance goes a long way.